Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make Google Chrome default browser. Also, if you want to know how to be more productive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to make Google Chrome default browser. So the first step is open settings and then start typing default apps. And here find Google Chrome and click on it. And here is the option that says set default, and that's it. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make Google Chrome default browser. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.